Dear aspirants, as you embark on this journey towards the UPSC examinations, know that you're not just preparing for a career, you're crafting a destiny, a future where your determination and dedication will script your success story. The road to becoming an IAS officer is not just about a job, it's a calling, a commitment to serve the nation with integrity, passion, and leadership. It demands perseverance, unwavering focus, and an unyielding spirit. Remember, it's not solely about clearing an exam. It's about embracing challenges, learning from failures, and emerging stronger every time you stumble. Each setback is a stepping stone to success. Look up to the stories of those who've walked this path before you. Their journeys were filled with trials, but their resilience made them champions of change, making a difference in the fabric of our society. Your journey is unique, and your preparation defines your destiny. Keep your passion ignited, your focus unbroken, and your dreams bigger than any obstacle. Stay curious, stay dedicated. Every hour invested in studying, every concept grasped, takes you closer to your goal. Believe in your abilities, for you possess the power to transform society. So, dear aspirants, your pursuit of excellence is not just a goal. It's a commitment to your dreams, to serve the nation, and to become a catalyst for change. Keep striving, keep believing, for your dedication today will shape a better tomorrow.